If you hate birds but love drama, this one's for you. 10 feathered killers ranked. Bet you won't guess number 1. Number 10, southern cassowary, powerful kick, dagger-like claw. Number 9, great white pelican, huge bill, surprising aggression around nests. Number 8, swan, massive wings and serious territorial rage. Number 7, bald eagle, majestic but can seriously injure with talons. Number 6, harpy eagle, muscle and massive feet built for big prey. Number 5, laughing kookaburra, small, loud, and will mob if provoked. Number 4, Japanese cormorant, fishermen know they can be vicious around territory. Number 3, southern giant petrel, scavenger with a nasty bite. Number 2, African crowned eagle, silent hunter, powerful enough to take monkeys. And number 1, the Cassin's auklet. Okay, just kidding. Actually, it's the cassowary again for sheer lethality. Birds can be beautiful and dangerous. Respect wildlife. Keep distance. Which one shocked you most? Tell me below.